Shattora.com.
Hello guys! Today in Shattora Kitchen we will know how to make the dessert. It's an Arabic dessert that can be served with coffee. The ingredients that we will need: half a kilo of Ajwa dates, half a packet of cream, a quarter cup of ground biscuits, a quarter cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 50-gram putta, and 2 decorate ground biscuit, crushed Oreo biscuit, coconut, sesame, and nuts. Action steps: put the cream on the Ajwa dates, put 2 tablespoons of tahini. It's an Arabic dessert that can be served with coffee. After kneading, it turns light in color. Now toast the biscuits and milk powder on the low heat. Keep stirring until it doesn't burn. We add butter to melt and mix them well. Now it's ready. Put the mixture on the dates. Mix them and knead them with the pastry well. Now I have a soft dough that can be shaped. It's an Arabic dessert that can be served with coffee. Now the balls are decorated with nuts or coconut or by using ground biscuits. This is the final shape of the date desserts ball. If you like the video, click like. And to receive all new, subscribe to the channel and activate the poll. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.
مع السلامة.